Yeah. So quadrilaterals and other polygons. So we know quadrilateral is any shape or closed shape which is made up of four straight line, right? Any closed figure. It has four angles, four sides, four vertices, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the sum of all the angles is 360 degrees. Okay. Like here in this question
Mm-hmm.
1, the sum of let's say this is angle A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So all these angle would add up to 360 degree. So angle A plus B plus C plus D is always 360 degrees. And using this property, we can find any unknown angle. Like in this one, we have to find the angle X. So if we add these three and subtract it from 360, we will get X, right? So what we write is 155 plus 55 plus 50 is equals to, I mean, plus x is also there, plus x is equals to 360 degrees. Now if we add these three, um, so 155 and 55 is 210, 210 and 50 is 260, 260 plus x is equals to 360. This is what we got. And to find x, what we do, we subtract 260 from 360, right, which gave us 100 degrees, right? And that is the value of
Mm-hmm.
x, right? um, so this property we use to find missing angles in quadrilateral. Okay, so let's try second one. Okay, so again, we know the sum of all interior angle in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So this is right angle because this is the shape of right angle 90 degrees. So we can write 70 plus 50 plus 90 plus x. All these four interior angles, they should add up to 360 degrees because this is a quadrilateral. So if we add 70 and 50, we get 120, and 120 plus 90 is 210. 210 plus x is equals to 360. So to find x, what we do, we subtract 210 from 360, and that's how we got our answer, which is going to be 150 degrees, right? Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's try
Yes.
number C. You try it. Find x. Tell me steps.
Mm-hmm. 45 plus 85 plus 70.
Yes, you add all these. So let's add it. 85, 45, and 70.
85 plus 20 plus 70. Um, um, 200.
Very good. 200 plus x
So
is
the
equals
x
to
is going to be
360.
160.
Very good. Yeah, if you subtract these two, you get 160 degrees. Okay, great. Um, Similarly, try this f. What are these two
Mhm.
angles? What is the values?
90 times 2
Yes, which is
plus 52
yes.
is 232
Okay, 52.
minus
Very good.
360.
Yes.
128.
Very good. Absolutely correct. So that's how we can find missing angle in quadrilateral. So far we know that quadrilateral is any shape which has four sides, four angles, and its all angle add up to 360 degrees. But there are different types of quadrilateral, right? Um, let's learn it in detail. So um, the name for different types of quadrilateral are parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle, trapezoid, and kites. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So basically, uh, this is the formula that we use, and using this we find that. interior angle of quadrilateral is 360. So basically like n minus 1 times 180, where n is the number of sides. For example, here if you see this, this is octagon, right? It has 8 sides, this figure. So in this formula, if we want to find the sum of interior angle of this polygon, we can plug 8 there. 8 minus 2 times 180. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180 is 1080. So the sum of all these angles, this, and this would be 1080. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this help us to find the total, like the sum of all the interior angles. But we know, because for right now we are just learning for quadrilateral, so for that you need to remember it's 360 degrees. Now,
Okay.
yeah, so
Um.
if you have given the, like the exterior angle of the polynomial, there is a polynomial exterior angle theorem, and which also says that all these angles, these are exterior angle, right, outside this polygon, so they also add up to 360 degrees. So if you just add them,
Yeah.
x and 2x, that's 3x, and 89 plus 67 is 156. If you subtract this from 360 and then divide the answer by 3, you get the x value. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now, hmm. Now let's talk about types of quadrilateral. So one of the type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay. Now let's talk about the
Um.
properties of parallelogram. This is how it looks like. It has parallel, opposite sides are parallel, like AD and BC. These are opposite sides. They are equal and parallel. Parallel means like this. They don't meet. And AB and CD, these are also parallel, right? Opposite sides are
Mm-hmm.
parallel in parallelogram. Opposite angle is equal, like angle B is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle A. And adjacent angle add up to 180 degrees. Adjacent means, for example, B and A, these two are adjacent angle. A and D are adjacent angle. D and C are adjacent angle. C and B are adjacent angle. So these two angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically in parallelogram, since lines are parallel, remember we learned about parallel lines and transversal. This is transversal, this line which is cutting two parallel lines. It does not looks like parallel. So this and this line, okay. This is transversal.
Mm-hmm.
Now we know that this angle is alternate to this, right?
Mm.
And these two are co-interior angle which add up to 180, right? And then
Yeah.
we know that this angle and this angle, these two are corresponding, right? These are alternate,
Yeah.
these are consecutive. So these properties can be applied here, okay? And we will be applying to find angles, right? Because here
Yeah.
the sides, yeah, these opposite sides are parallel. So you can, if these two sides are parallel, you can consider these two sides as transversal in a parallelogram. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, hmm. So basically, opposite there, the parallelogram opposite sides theorem says that opposite sides are equal, like PQ and RS, these are congruent, or which means equal, and QR and PS, these two sides are congruent. Okay, this and this and this. And opposite angle theorem also says this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. As you can see, they are opposite angles, so in parallelogram they are equal. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So like here in this question we have given a parallelogram, right, where this side is 12 and this is x plus 4. So what we just learned is that opposite sides are equal, right? So that means here AB is equal to CD. This side is AB, this side is CD. The value of AB is x plus 4, right? And the value of CD
Mm-hmm.
is 12. Now we need to find x. So we can just subtract 4 both sides. If we subtract 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. And that is the value of x, right? Now to find y, what we can do is, because we know according to parallelogram opposite angle theorem, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C, and if C is 65, A is also going to be 65 degrees. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Very good. So that's how using properties of parallelogram we can find missing angle and sides. Can you try this? Find FG. This and measure of angle G. This.
If E is 60, then G is also 60.
FG is a side, not an angle. This FG.
Oh,
This side. This is FG, isn't
yeah.
it?
Uh-huh.
What is the length of FG? Length of this side.
8.
Very good. 8. 8 units. And measure of angle G is, you already said 60 because opposite angles are equal. Okay, try number 2. Find X and Y. So, how would you
Okay.
find X? Let's first find X. Yes?
Um,
How would you find X?
um, X is 50.
2x is 50. Yeah, this is
Mm-hmm.
equal to
And
50.
Y plus 3 is 18.
Very good. Y plus 3 is 18. Yeah, these two. So now find the value of x from here. If 2x is 50, what is x?
Um, 25.
Very good. 25. We just divide by 2 both side. And if y plus 3 is equals to 18, what is the value of y?
15.
Very good. That's the answer. Good. Now there is a theorem which is parallelogram consecutive angle theorem, which says that consecutive angles are supplementary. Supplementary means they add up to 180. Like here, x plus y, these two add up to 180. Okay, this and this, their sum is also 180. This and this, their sum is also 180. This and this, their sum is also 180. Okay, so just take any two adjacent angle. If you add them, you get 180 degrees. Then parallelogram diagonal theorem, which says that these two diagonals, like they bisect each other. So bisect means they divide them equally in, like QM, this length is equal to MS and MR is equal to MP. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, yeah. Have you learned about midpoint? How to find midpoint in quadrilateral?
No,
No, yeah.
no.
Okay. Let's try this. Find X and Y in first one. What is the value of X? This. X is this side.
Mm.
How much is that?
Mm-hmm. 9.
Very good. That's 9 unit. And y? So this is 9.
9 is
What about
6.
this y?
15.
Very good. 15 because opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. And this is given that these are parallelogram. Let's try number 4. What is the value of n? Yeah. How much is n?
Um, 12.
Very good. It's 12 because opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. And what about m?
6.
M plus 1 is 6, right? So we will write m
Yeah.
plus 1 is equals to 6. So how much is m? You need to just find m.
5.
Very good. 5. 6 minus 1. Okay, let's try number 5. Let me erase it. Yeah, fifth. We need to find d and z variables. So this angle is d minus 21,
Okay.
this, and this is 105.
Okay.
Hmm.
Um, Z minus 8 is 20, and the
Hmm.
21 is
Yeah, z minus 8 is 20. To find z, this is
Z is 28.
very good. This because this is negative 8, so add both side 8. So 28. Good. And let's find d now.
Um, 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 so, um, I don't know. I don't know.
Because this angle is d
105.
minus 20. That's d minus 21, which is equal to 105 because opposite angles are equal. This is equal to this. So now you have to find d. First you check what is extra
126.
term. Very good. 126. You add both side 21 and this cancels out and d is just add them, you get 126. Very good. Let's try number 6. So in 6 we need to find h and g. So yeah, tell me.
Okay.
Yes, quickly do it.
Um, hmm. G minus 4 is 65.
Very good. This
G
is equal to
is
this.
69.
Very
16
good.
minus
Um,
H is 7.
69 did you said because this is plus 4. So you need to do minus 4 both side, right? We always do opposite. So this cancels out and 65 minus
Yeah.
4 is
61.
Yeah, so that's your answer, okay? Okay, next one. Find H. Yeah, find H.
Um, um, um,
So what we do here is 16 minus H is equal to 7, right? Because these are opposite sides which are equal. We need to find H. You can see you have negative H here, right? So if you, and
mhm,
here we have positive 16. So we do opposite. Positive 16 will become negative 16. And if you subtract them, 7 minus 16 would be negative 9, right? Because bigger number has a negative sign. And this side we have negative H. So they both cancel out and we get positive 9, right?
mhm,
Yeah, is that clear?
yeah,
Okay, great. Here in this question, angle A is given, which is 51 degrees. Find measure of angle B. Can you try this? How much is this? Remember, we learned about consecutive angles. This and this, their sum is 180. They are supplementary, right? That means they add up to
mhm,
180. So, this plus this is 180. So, 51 plus angle B is 180. So, to find B, what would you do? 180 minus 51, right?
mhm,
Yeah. So, if you subtract it, I think you will get 129. So, measure of angle B is 129 degrees. Same way, can you try this one, number 8, quickly and give me answer? This number 8, okay?
okay.
Hmm. You have to find this angle, measure of angle N.
Mm,
Are you done?
huh?
Are you done?
Uh,
Hmm.
I don't get it. Mm,
You don't get it?
huh?
Okay, let me explain number 7 again. This one you are supposed to do.
Mm, mm,
So basically, what I'm explaining here is that angle B and A, because they are adjacent angle, or we call them consecutive angles, and we learn about them that they add up to 180 degrees, right? They are supplementary.
mhm,
So angle A plus angle B, their sum is 180. Okay, A is given, which is 51. 51 plus we need to find B, and to find B, what we do is 180 minus 51. That gives me angle B, right?
yeah.
And that's how we got our answer, right? The same thing you need to do for angle A, like for question number 8, because M and N, they are also adjacent angles, so they should also add up to 180. Did you get it now?
Yes.
Okay, so give me answer for number 8.
Okay.
Hmm.
Um. 95 and then should add up to 180. So 180 minus 90. So it's 85.
Very good. So angle N is 85. Can you tell me angle P
Mm-hmm.
now? How much is angle P?
Um, um, so M and P.
Yes. M and
Mm,
P are?
P should be 95.
Very good. It should be 95
Opposite
because opposite
angles.
angles are equal. Very good. And what about angle L?
Angle L. It should be 85.
That's great. It should be 85. Okay. Um, so we did. Hmm. And now from question number 9 to 16. In first question, we need to find LM. LM is this, right? This. What do you think? What is the length of
Yeah.
LM? This side.
And huh? Huh?
Yeah, this. Yes. How much is LM?
Your screen is lagging.
Is it good now? It was lagging because.
No.
Oh, let me share it again, okay?
Mhm.
Is this good now?
Yes.
Great. Find LM, this length,
And
and give me reason.
uh,
Explain your reasoning.
how to do?
This is a parallelogram. This is what we.
Mm-hmm.
So what should be the
Mm-hmm.
length? How you did the above questions? LM. What is the
Uh,
length of LM? What are the rules that we just learned about parallelogram?
13.
Yes. Opposite sides are equal. So if this is 13, this is going to be
Mm-hmm.
13. Okay, so the reasoning is that opposite sides of parallelograms are equal, so that's why LM is equal to QN, and QN is 13, so LM is 13. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because units is not given, so I'm just writing 13 unit. LP. Where is LP? Check it. LP is there.
E
This and this.
here.
Yeah, this, right? LP. From L
Yeah.
to P, this length. So we learned that.
8.2.
Very good.
No, 7.
Oh, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is 7. This is 7. I didn't. Yes, because diagonals bisect in a parallelogram. So if this is 7, this is 7, right? They are equally divided. LQ. L and Q is this one. Let me erase it.
29.
L and Q. No. 29 is angle. Can you see? This is this. This is 29 degrees. This is angle, right? But in
Okay.
this question, when it says LQ, we write angle using three letters or one letter, and there is a sign of angle, like measure of angle. LQ is just a line segment. These are the endpoints name. L is this and Q is this. That's how we
Mm-hmm.
write the name of line segment, right? So it should be very clear.
Yeah.
Hmm. Uh, 1 minute. Suppose in this figure, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. If I say how much is AB? Is AB a line segment or an angle?
Hmm?
Yes, tell me.
Uh, so A and B should make 180, right?
No. My question was, is AB a line segment or angle? I didn't ask you how much is that. It's a line segment because um, like if we have a line, this is a line segment. Let's say we name it C and D. These are the names of endpoints, right? So
Yeah.
C and D, to label a line segment, we write endpoint's name. Okay, so CD is a line segment. Or to write line name, line has arrows at both ends. Let's say this is P, this is Q. So this is PQ line. Okay. But to write an angle
Mm-hmm.
name, suppose this angle, this is A, this is B, and this is C. And if I'm talking about this angle, so I will write it as ABC or CBA or just angle B. In all of them, because angle is formed on B, which is the vertex, in all of them B is there in the middle. So either I call it ABC, CBA or B. You can notice when we are talking about angle, that's how we write it. But when we are talking about line segment or length or side of any figure, we just write AB, BC. There are two letters and there are three letters or one. Did you get what I am explaining? This is very, very important
Yeah.
because you are confusing here, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
fine. Tell me how much is LQ? Is LQ a line segment or angle? First, tell me this. LQ number 11.
Okay.
Is LQ a angle or an angle or a line segment? Hello?
Line segment.
Yes, it's line segment. Check it. How much is that?
Huh?
What is the value?
8.
Very good, 8. Reasoning, explain your reasoning. Why it is 8?
Because parallel lines are equal.
Yeah, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So LQ is equal to 8. MQ. How much is MQ?
Um,
Is MQ a line segment or angle?
angle
But there are two letters, only endpoint names are
as
given.
as a line segment.
Yeah, that's line segment. Be very clear with this. This is M and this is Q, and this the line joining these points is MQ line segment. So how much is that?
Um, is the angle right?
What? Angle?
Right?
But you just said it's a line segment, and I explained why it is a line segment. Because there are two letters which are the name of endpoints, M and Q.
Yeah.
This is the line segment. What is the length
Mm-hmm.
of this line segment? This is asking this, not angle. For angle, they put this
Hmm.
symbol.
8.2.
Hmm.
8.2.
But 8.2 is just MP. This much.
Um,
This much is
so
8.2.
another 16.4 maybe?
Exactly. 16.4, okay? Because they both are equal.
Mm-hmm.
Because diagonal bisect and parallelogram. So they are equal, right? So we can just times it with 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try number 13, which is measure angle LMN. So this is L, this is M, this is N. Is this an angle or side? Actually, I already said it, but still. Number 13. Tell me, is this angle
Angle.
or... Okay, find it.
Okay. Mm, um, 80, I think.
80. Explain
Mm-hmm.
how did you get it?
Um, so like the angle M, right?
Hmm. Yeah, this.
Mhm. Okay. So L and M N
Hmm.
N is 100. L
Yeah, this
and
is 100.
N. So M and Q is 80.
Very good. Yeah, because they should add up to 180. Okay, great. Let's find NQL. So let
And
me just
Q. Uh, okay.
NQL is this.
80 as well.
NQL, exactly. That's also 80. Very good. Same logic. And then MNQ. MNQ. This one.
And N is 100. Already said
Very good.
it.
That's 100 because opposite angles are equal. LMQ. LMQ is already done. No, sorry, this is LMQ is this. Can you see? Because L, M, and Q is this. So how much is that?
Okay. So divided by 2, I guess.
Can you see this angle is given
Oh,
29?
29, 29, 29, 29,
Exactly.
29,
What is the reasoning?
29. Opposite angles are equal.
But opposite are these, this and this. But
I
this
mean,
is,
corresponding.
no, they are not.
Or
This is,
alternate, interior.
yes, they are alternate. Can you see this
Yeah,
is making a Z like these
yeah,
two
yeah.
are? Hmm. So they are alternate
Mm-hmm.
interior angles. Very good. Great. Now we can go to next questions. Let me just erase it. Okay. Question number 17. Find the value of each variable. So you need to find m and n. Okay. Yeah. Tell me how much is these all
Huh?
are parallelogram. Tell me how much is n.
So 70 and 2M is they're parallel, so they're the same. Opposite,
Uh,
I guess.
no, they are not. They are not opposite. Opposite is this and this. They are consecutive, right?
What about the other? Huh?
They are consecutive. This and this should add up to 180,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Mhm.
So how much is angle N?
90.
But 90 plus 70 is not 180.
Okay. Um, um, um,
What you need to do here is N is
huh?
what are you doing? What calculation can you tell me? How would you find N?
110.
Very good. That's 110. And how much is M?
Um, 70.
Actually 2M is equal to 70, right? So we can write 2M is equals to 70 degrees. Now to find M, you would divide both side by 2. So tell me the value of M.
35.
Very good. That's 35 degrees. Okay. Let me just erase everything. Okay, let's do question number 18. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, find the variables B, C, and D. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so let's first start with B. So these are consecutive angles, this consecutive angle, this and this, right? So that means these two should add up to 180, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how would you do it? You will write B minus 10 plus B plus 10 is equal to 180, right? Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
I think I should do it on another page because this would look messy. Or maybe I write it properly. So this angle plus this angle is 180. So I'm writing B minus 10 plus B plus 10 is equal to 180 degrees, right? Can you try finding B now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me know.
Okay. Um, which one should I do?
My God. Are you not present here?
I am. I did
No,
hear
you are
you.
not.
But I'm
Uh,
here.
but I did half of the question and you are saying which one I should do.
Ah, okay. Mm-hmm.
This angle and this angle, they are adjacent. So in parallelogram, adjacent angle always add up to 180. So I just wrote B minus 10, which is this angle, and B plus 10, their sum is 180. This is plus 10, this is minus 10. So this will cancel out, right? And B plus B gives us
Mm-hmm.
2B. And here we have 180 degrees. So this 2 and this B, they are in multiplication. So we divide both sides with
Mm-hmm.
2 to get rid of this 2 because we need B only. 180 divided by 2 is
90.
190. Yes. So that's the value of B. Now that is just B, not these angles. Remember, this angle is B minus 10. Can you tell me how much is this angle if B is 90?
80.
Yes, and this one?
100.
Very good, 100. Now can you tell me the value of C
80.
and D?
100.
Very good. See, now you are focused. I know when you are. Because if you are, you answer me like
Mm-hmm.
this. Hmm, great. So, yeah, just remember opposite angles are equal and adjacent add up to 180. These rules would help you to find unknown angles and sides, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, I hope this is clear. Is this clear now?
Yeah.
Quadrilateral? Okay.
Yes.
So let's quickly summarize what we did in quadrilateral, okay? Here. So
Hmm.
quadrilateral. Basically, we focused on parallelogram. Quadrilateral is any shape which has four sides, four angles, right? And four vertices.
Mm-hmm.
Like here, four vertices are there, four angles and four sides. It can be parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, trapezoid, but we focus today only on parallelogram. But any quadrilateral, if you have any quadrilateral, like here, suppose this is angle A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. So if you add all these interior angle, they will always add up to 360 degrees. This is true for all quadrilateral, either it is rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, anything, okay? But for parallelogram, what we
Mm-hmm.
learned is that in case of parallelogram, like suppose this is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is equal and parallel to this. Opposite angle, this is equal to this. This is equal to this. Clear? Right? This
Mm-hmm.
is what we learned. And we learned that this diagonal Like this diagonal and this diagonal, they bisect each other at the center. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. If you have any question, you can ask me from quadrant.